My name's Erich Nettles. I'm from Pottstown, Pennsylvania. I was hired in 2016 and I'm a repair expert. My favorite thing about working at PJ Fitzpatrick is it's always new and exciting. Every call I go to is different. Keeps it fresh. Some of my hobbies are pretty much anything staying busy. I like to ski, snowboard, play sports, things of that nature. I would say my biggest achievement is volunteering at a community center, which I do on the weekends. The Charles A. Melton Community Center in Westchester. Pretty much help out with any events they have, anything they have going on. My favorite charity is the Charles A. Melton Community Center. They have a lot of after-school sports programs and things to keep kids busy and from getting into trouble.